Ka Thma U Rangli under the leadership of Angela Rangad had gathered at Motphran, Shillong to announce the High Court order of doing away with the State Act and following the Central Statutes pertaining to street vending in Meghalaya. Speaking to reporters on Thursday, the General Secretary of the Meghalaya and Greater Shillong Street Hawkers and Vendors Association, J. Thaba, expressed his gratitude to all members of the association as well as to all supporters who had stood by the association in their 6-year fight for the rights of street vendors and hawkers of the state. He also mentioned that the court order of scrapping of the State Act on street vending is a victory to each and every one of those who had fought for the rights of this class of citizens of the state. Thaba added that the Central Act on street vending also has rules such as the constitution of a town vending committee, the election of members to such a committee, and procedures to be followed for its implementation in the state of Meghalaya. To this effect, a memorandum had recently been submitted to the Chief Secretary of Meghalaya, R.V. Suchang, on the rules to be adhered to for implementing the Central Street Vending Act in the state.
But mention he hadin kajinga pun dengi inrus nam unong ya side pan jongka sarkar jelaw ai dak jingko shau unong besar hayeng sari ba pentam no ya ka an jongka State Act nomor kabam dan jingya dang hano ro halor kinong di madang te ban pentrai kam no ru ya ka Central Act bat anda la pentrai kam ru bat shen ru hidang ya ai ka sithi she is Chief Secretary ba ngi pun kan mau biang ki sa sisin ki taki rule ba ya ki anda la trai kam kata ka Central Act ru kumno pat ban pentrai kam ya ka habdon kata ka habsnai kata ka town vending committee habdon kita ki hapo ke town vending committee habdon kata ka election ba kita ki member ki badai hapo ka town vending committee ro naka 6% ni habdon bangi kinong di madan ni ki bakham tip ha ki haban ya trai lang rangkat bat ni haban ya pet lang hano bala bandi bat hano bamla bandi hano vending zone hano no vending zone hano hawking zone hano no hawking zone bat haban le ka in city survey khanang ba phila bantip ino ibasyong hangno bat dai ban survey ka babnya ba kino ki badai hok ban syong bat kino ki bamdai hok bat katung ka scheme ro ki dai ban pentrai kam namar nadu ka basrang hi nim syam lapan palat ya ka an ni pan katung ka an bat ngitip syai ro la nrius na mata ka chinge trai kam ka jongiam ya le mele ne ki ya songku le kim kwa ban pentrai kam na ka sarkar jongi ya ka an halor ya ka Central Act halor kinong di maran ngintip rai bangitip banginum kan ran din ro bangitip ha ka bakut am ka jingjap ka dai ka hok hi.
Leader of Ka Thma U Rangli and one of the main supporters of the Meghalaya and Greater Shillong Street Hawkers and Vendors Association, Angela Rangad, while speaking about the association's 6-year fight for the rights, said that earlier there have been people who had tried to exploit this working class of citizens by promising help to them, but in fact had selfish intentions up their sleeves. Rangad expressed her gratitude to legal advisors, Kostov Paul and others who had fought tooth and nail for protection and rights of the association from the beginning till victory was achieved.
Pisah kepinginnya jam tengok no ngai ki don ki brio ki ba shit extort ki hawkers ki don ki brio ki ba persang ban penthame ya ki ru ban ong bangin ya rap wan changi ngai komtai but nadu shwa bakin persang kini ban yada ya ladi bang nuksa be bang nuksa ivik kila pun ki kita ki reusimet ki seng ndrei habakut ka sulong baki sim kapu mo yaki ne ki baya persang ki baya ksat hamadan ti sakawai ru ngathrai ni haban ai khublai ru yaki tu ki nong ya sat an ki bakaseng kala engage barok kini kin reusnem u Kostov Paul bat ka Anuradha Paul bat ru u Fio Yubin ki ba hakini kin reusnem kilong ki bayai ne bat kaseng bat kajing ya kendu, kajing ya tai, kajing ya ajing mut lang kawan lam bangin ya job hante hiyeng syari.